Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you're new here, welcome. And if you have been here for a while, welcome back. So, I love you guys so much. And today, what I wanted to do was my Boxycharm unboxing. So, this is $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products. And in my Boxycharm, this time, I was so excited I couldn't wait. I am sick, by the way, so if you hear me coughing or sniffling or hacking or whatever, I got sinus, I'm sick. So, the first thing that I have, you get this little pamphlet, and it shows you everything that you got. Now, I've got this this MAC Cosmetics Lip Tensity lipstick. This is in burnt violet, and I'm not going to open it because it's not a color that I really like, so I might just put it in a giveaway or something. It's like a purple, but I don't know. But it's normally $21. Now, and then I got this is a Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, and it's a pore refining mask, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. This right here is $47. $47 for that. But Dr. Brandt is a really good brand. I will not be using that today because I already have my makeup on, so I'll let you know. The next thing we have is the Brow Gal, and I haven't even opened it, but this is $22. It's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. And the other two things I got was 2 brushes. I got a pink one and a purple one, and they're so soft. And they're from Boxycharm, I think. SL Miss Glam brush duo. And these 2 brushes together are $38.50. That's a lot. The thing that I'm so excited about is I got this one. They were doing 5 eyeshadow palettes, and I got the Element of Surprise, and it's normally $16. It's by ColourPop, and I want to show you all. La da da! That pink right there. Oh yes, that's going on my eye today. So, I thought that I would play around with the eyeshadow palette and just do a look. And so, let's go ahead and get started. Why not? And I'm going to start out using this brush right here. It's called Blend Beauty L34 Boxycharm. SL Miss Glam. And this is the purple one. It's so pretty. And then the pink one is more... it's more flat. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out with this brush right here. And let's see. I'm going to take this color, these 2 colors, and just kind of start blending them in my crease. Okay, I'm going to start over here today. And I'm just going to start blending this in. Can you all see that?
Can you all see that?
I've missed you guys so much. I really have missed you guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my little Tarte brushes. I'm going to go in with this purple color, and I think it's called Late Night. It's like a burgundy kind of color, and I'm going to put that. Now, there's not a lot of fallout with this one at all, but I'm going to put that on the inner corner, and I actually did mean to do something else before I did this. Oh, it's so pretty. These colors are so pretty, guys. I really do like them. I am just not prepared today. I was going to use tape and everything with the pink. And what we're going to do is pack it on my lid, okay? I probably should have done all this first. And I like doing looks that you can actually go like out of the house in. Like, I'm not going to do a halo eye. I'm not going to do a halo eye just to go to work or just to go, you know, to the grocery store or something. That's why I don't do nothing crazy now. I can, but I like to do looks that you all can go out in the house in, that we can all do stuff in. And I just feel like doing like a halo eye where you cut the crease and you put the concealer on it. That's just not an everyday thing. So I just don't want to do stuff that's just not every day. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. I'm sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to get a little bit more and just pack it on up there. Oh my gosh, I am so getting into bright colors. I don't know what happened to me, but I am absolutely loving it. Oh, so pretty. And with the burgundy around it, I don't know if you all can see it, but in my mirror, it kind of looks like a little bit of like a purple color. So I'm going to take that burgundy color again and just go on the outside there of the purple. Or, I'm sorry, the pink. Go outside the pink there. And just kind of tap it in and get all the lines diffused. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this, guys. Loving it. Okay. I'm going to take that burgundy color. It's called, I think it's called Late Night, that burgundy color. And I'm going to just take a little brush and I'm going to go underneath my lash line here. That way, it's all connected. We're going to take the Opulent, I think is this color right here. And what I want to do is, I could use some Fix Plus. I guess I could. I'll just use whatever I've got. I hope I'm not making a mistake by doing this. Okay, now what I want to do is kind of put that like in the center so you'll be glowing a little bit, I'm sorry, my camera is tilted up to where I can do it, but then when I start doing my makeup, I go down and you can't see me. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll do it this way. Okay, I'm just going to take it down the center. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Do y'all see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, I love Boxycharm. I really do. They really have nice products, and I just love it. And what I'm doing is I'm putting this on the middle, but I'm just kind of doing like what's left over, like, on each side, just so it'll be a little bit shiny. Okay, do y'all see that? You see how it went from like pink and then got that right there on the inside? I love it. I do. I absolutely love it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this eye off camera, and I'm going to put my mascara on, and I'll be back. I love you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, my loves, I'm back. So I went ahead and finished this eye, and I just put mascara on. I did go in with this white shimmery color right here. It's kind of, this one for some reason is not very buttery, but all the other ones are. It's just a little white, but it's, I think it's called rayon. But what I did is I just put it up here and on the inner corners, and I put on Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star, and I put on the mascara, which I'm gonna have to throw away because I think it's drying up. But it's the Clinique Fit, the Workout 24 mascara that I was telling you about last time. I used that. That's the end of the video. So I will put like everything that I have on down in the description. Nothing's the same, but I'll get that down there to you. And so we went over everything. So I love you guys so much. I love you guys. And if I will be announcing the winner or contacting the winner for the Naturals giveaway. I'll be doing that. Let's see, today is Wednesday, so I'll be doing it this week sometime. I'll be picking the winner for that. And then next week, I got something else for you. So if you liked the video, hit the like button for me. Hit that thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe and be part of the family. And if you all want to, in the comments, I'd like to know where you all are from. I had this one person, this one lady, she was sending me love from South Africa. I was like, you're South Africa watching little old me? Wow, that was amazing. I would love to know where you guys are from. I mean, you don't even have to put like, if you live in the United States, you don't have to tell people the states if you don't want to. You can just say the U.S., or you can tell me South Africa or the Philippines or, whatever. But I'd like to know where all you all are from. So, because I want to know where you all are watching me from. I think it's exciting. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will be back very soon with another video. I love you guys. Bye.